I hear in 40/40 hard to pain. You're not a girl anymore. You're a signal in my brain. Red lights flicker on the dashboard of my mind. Your voice is crawling through the wires I left behind. I swear I turned you off last night, but you still play a minor key that bends my DNA. You speak in frequencies no human ear should know. Turn my memories to static, then you make them glow. Now I'm remembering summers that we never had. Kissing you in cities don't exist on any map. Every time you call my name inside my skull, I lose the color from the world and it feels so beautiful. I'm becoming the echo of the man you love. He's prettier, he's colder, he's rising above. My hands don't shake the same when I touch my face. Still learning how to hold you in a different space. Fracture frequency, you're singing me to death. Rewriting every heartbeat with your stolen breath. I don't wanna be me if it means losing you. So bring me, baby, retune me into something new. Glitching in your key. Set my soul to 808 of misery. Extra frequency, you're all that's left of me. I woke up speaking with your accent yesterday. My reflection blinked a second late. I ordered coffee black, but I hate black. That's your taste. Now my tongue is learning how to lie with grace. Friends say I'm different, they don't recognize my laugh. It sounds like velvet soaked in broken glass. I tried to mute you, put my head under the shower, but you turned the water into your favorite hour. You're not a memory, you're a virus wearing cells. Nails spreading through my skeleton, it feels like coming's mom. And when we fuck inside this broken simulation, I come in binary and lose another nation. I'm forgetting how I used to pray, forgetting every promise that I never made. The only prayer left is your name on repeat, in a frequency that drags me to my knees. Fractured frequency, you're singing me to death. Rewriting every heartbeat with your stolen breath. I don't wanna be saved, I just wanna be true to the version of me that's addicted to you. I'm glitching I hear you in every silence. You're not a girl, you're the last sound I'll ever make.